How to use public transportation in Amsterdam 1. Get an OV chip card. To start, purchase an OV chip card, a smart card used for all public transport in the Netherlands. You can get it at train stations, convenience stores, or online. 2. Top up your OV chip card. Load money onto your card at machines found in stations or via online methods. You'll need a balance for hopping on buses, trams, or trains. 3. Use your OV chip card on public transportation. Simply tap your card on the reader when entering and exiting public transport. This applies to buses, trams, metros, and trains. Tips for using public transportation in Amsterdam. 1. Plan your journey in advance. Use apps like 9292 or Google Maps to plan your route and avoid unnecessary waiting times. 2. Check the timetables. Public transport runs frequently, but always check schedules, especially late at night or on weekends. 3. Be aware of peak times. Avoid traveling during rush hours, 8 to 9 a.m., 5 to 6 p.m., when transport can be crowded. How to get around Amsterdam without a car. 1. Use public transportation. Amsterdam has an extensive network of buses, trams, and metros to take you anywhere in the city. 2. Walk or cycle. The city is incredibly walkable, and cycling is one of the most popular ways to get around. You'll find bike rental services everywhere. 3. Share rides. Consider ride-sharing options like Uber or use apps like Felix for electric scooters. How to save money on public transportation in Amsterdam. 1. Use a travel pass. A day pass or multi-day pass can offer unlimited rides for a set period, saving you money if you're traveling frequently. 2. Buy tickets in advance. Purchasing tickets online or at machines in advance can help avoid the higher cost of buying from the driver. 3. Use off-peak times. Traveling outside of peak hours can also help save money and ensure a more comfortable ride. How to get around Schiphol Airport. 1. Use public transportation. Trains run frequently between Schiphol and central Amsterdam. It's the quickest and cheapest option. 2. Take a taxi. Taxis are available outside the airport, though they can be pricey. 3. Rent a car. If you prefer independence, rental car services are available, but driving in Amsterdam can be challenging with limited parking and traffic.